Alt tags are ways for a website owner to describe images. This has two-part uses. The first and most important is that it helps people who are visually impaired who come on your website to be able to understand the images that are on your website. The other thing that it helps do is that it helps search bots, which crawl your HTML, get better context and get better value out of your page if it can understand what the image is about, because it does not have the capability to go to an image and understand what it's about. Like if it's an image of a dog being walked in a park or something, it has no idea because it doesn't have that capability. So that's what alt tags are. They help people as well as robots understand your page better, specifically the images that are on your page. Now, with that being said, this is something that is a good housekeeping tool for SEO, and I would recommend you do it, but it's not something that's going to revolutionize your traffic. It's not something that's going to change your SEO traffic from 1x to 10x. That's probably not going to happen, but it is something that is a good housekeeping tool, and it is something that you should try to execute on your website.